One of the things that I think is an absolute must for anybody that has a trailer, an RV, or something that you want to tow behind is this adapter hitch that extends the stock hitch. Now I got this one. It just brackets on here so it doesn't rattle, doesn't move, doesn't shake, and I can put my bike rack in here and be able to take my bikes on the road with us. This right here, it tightens up so that you can have any size receiver in here, and it'll tighten to it so that it won't rattle and shake. Love this receiver hitch. Use it almost as a permanent fixture. The nice thing about it with our trailer is it is a permanent fixture because we have the stairs on the back. And with these stairs, it goes right over the top of them, and I don't even have to worry about it. So I leave it on permanently. So I bought them a few years ago, and it just stays just like that. Love it.